Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Android app release with Google Play Console, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Android app release with Google Play Console, first, log into your Google Play Console account. Navigate to the All Applications section on your dashboard. Select the app you want to verify from the list. On the left menu, click on Release to expand the options. Then, click on Production to access the Production Release section. In the Production Release overview, locate the latest release that is pending verification. Click on the release version to open the Details page. Review the release notes and ensure all changes are accurately documented. Scroll down to the App Bundles and APK section to verify the APK or app bundle you are submitting. Check that the version number and the code match what you have in your project. Next, ensure all mandatory elements like screenshots, app descriptions, and feature graphics are in place. Return to the top of the page and click on the green Review button. The system will perform checks on your app. Make sure to address any issues or warnings that may arise during the check. Once the verification process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You can now proceed to publish your app by clicking on the Start Rollout to Production button. Confirm your rollout details in the dialog box that appears. Finally, click Confirm to finalize the process. Your app is now set for release on the Google Play Store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.